Hi and welcome to the vlog on the Fogground channel. Here we're using the wellbrook 1530 loop through an Airspy HF Plus, as you can see, to decode weathercode, rtty, and we're using jvcomm 32 and a virtual audio cable in between. Very clear copy. We've not got no filters on in the, no DSP filters or anything. We're even running a wide AM filter. That's all. Makes no difference if it's on or off. Actually, we could obviously go to a proper narrow filter to make things better, but it's not needed because we've got a completely clear copy. We'll go to SSB, obviously. Doesn't really make much difference because we've got a good enough signal. I don't even believe that the rotator's facing the correct way. It should actually be facing east from here, and we're facing southwest. Thanks for watching.